everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to connect Tomarket to Binance. So first thing you have to do is open your Telegram application. Once you're in here, just go to Tomarket application and then tap on open at the bottom. Just wait for it to load and then tap on play now. Once you're in here, you just go to airdrop at the very bottom. After that, you'll be redirected here, so just scroll down and you can see connect your Bitget wallet. So tap on that one to connect your wallet. So tap on connect and just tap on approve. So now you've created a wallet. So what you're gonna do is connect the Tomarket to Binance. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!